Use of these or those. A. Fill in the blanks with these or those. These are dogs. Those are stars. These are pencils. Those are balloons. These are cows. Those are trees.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.